शिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. Today's subject, healing wisdom of Vedas. I wanted to share a few things about the extraordinary researches and discoveries done by the disciples of Maharshi Mahesh Yogi on Vedic literature and how the Vedic literature corresponds to special aspects of human physiology. Beautifully they proved 40 branches of Vedic literature in structure and function matches the human physiology, like various organs, organ systems and nervous systems. And not only that, they have gone deep into, I will first express some of their discoveries, then I will give you the deeper insights. By Professor Tony Nader, very beautifully in his research says that human body is a replica of Vedas, and the Vyakarana in Vedic literature is hypothalamus of the brain and Nyaya is thalamus of brain. And another one very important research is they have done research on the cancer cells to determine the influence of Samaveda and rock music on it. All the cancer cells influenced by Samaveda started decreasing in growth, and the rock music increased the growth of cancer cells. It's very surprising research. They proved it. And they have done some more studies on how the fever is healed by Vishnu Sahasranama, diuresis, the urination problems, Mutra Mochana, diabetes, Rudrashtaka, for anti-aging, Gayatri Mantra was used. Now I will try to give my insight on the Nada Brahma. It's a sound which is source of everything. So when the sound vibrations are altered, the whole consciousness is altered. The reflection of consciousness in your body, mind and brain is altered. When the reflection of your consciousness on the body, mind and brain is altered, the physiology of the body, mind and brain gets altered. Please understand, when I say physiology of a mind, I mean mind does have a physiology. It has a clear structure. I have seen Raghupati Yogi, my yoga master, playing with sounds. He will take a stone and create a sound like as if that stone is hit by a hammer. That stone will become two pieces. It will become pieces. The same way iron rope. He will take iron rope and create a sound through the tongue as if it is hit by a powerful tool, weapon, cutter. It will just break into pieces. and will create a sound like throwing a stone, the bird from the tree will fall. And just he will close one nostril, through the other nostril he will blow the air in such a way he can even alter the smell of the air. He will just inhale and blow the air in a very proportionate way. From the stomach he will generate certain smell and release it through the air. I have seen, he used to make Siddha medicines also, for which he needs snake venom, snake poison. So he will just do some kind of a pranayam, create a sound and release a particular smell through the nose. The snakes will automatically come near him as if they are in the sexual orgasm. When the snakes get into the intercourse, two snakes, they will roll on the ground and they will move just by rolling. Only if you have seen, if you are from Indian village and seen, you will understand what I am talking. They will not move like a normal way. They will be rolling on the ground, unmoving. They will completely be rolling, unmoving. I have seen the snakes getting into that kind of an orgasmic mood just by the smell. Just by the smell he releases, they will get into that mood and come towards him as if they are in that ecstasy. And all he will do is he will have a small cup, the stone cup, and he will take that snake and put the mouth and take the venom and release them. Just through sound, he will insert certain sound inside the body and create a smell from the body and release it through the nostrils. Playing with sound. The power of sound, I tell you, maybe if you learn to play with silence, then you will know the science of playing with sound. Learning to play with silence will reveal the science of playing with sounds in your body and mind. Because there is no other separate technology. You cannot learn step by step, one by one, how to play with different sounds. First you need to play with silence. Then automatically the whole science of playing with sound will be revealed to you. Playing with silence is the technique to achieve the state of playing with the sound. Playing with silence means getting into the deep silence through unclutching. So play with silence by unclutching. You will experience the technology of playing with the sound. Let you all achieve and radiate enlightenment. Achieve and radiate the eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
All that I smell